Let us learn the next activity. 100 ml of water in a beaker and dissolve small quantity of sodium sulphate. Sodium sulphate is a salt. The formula is Na2SO4. Since this is in a powdered form, that is in a solid, we have to make a solution. So we are adding it to 100 ml of water. So what is the reactant one? It is sodium sulphate, Na2SO4. Remember, when you mix it in the water, it will be same like a water only. So it is a colorless solution. Okay, it is a colorless solution. How did you prepare the solution? You mixed it with water. Okay, very important. This is asked many times in the examination. And to this, what are we supposed to add? Barium chloride. Now, barium chloride is also a salt. It is also in the white powdered. We have to make a solution. So, mix it with the water to make a solution. What is the formula? BaCl2. This also is a colorless solution. Okay, so we have two colorless solutions. Now mix both of them. That means you are preparing this in one test tube, this in another test tube. Now when you mix both of them into a container, what is obtained? Double displacement reaction. We have already learnt in our class 9th, right? What is a double displacement reaction taking place? Barium will combine with sulphate. So the formula will be BaSO4, barium sulphate, and what is left out? Sodium and chloride. What is the formula of sodium chloride? NaCl, right? So NaCl is the salt. When you leave this both, when you combine, it will form a white solution. White solution. So in the exam they will ask you, write one equation where two reactants are colorless, but when you allow the reaction, it will become a white solution. This is the equation that they are asking for, right? Now when you leave this solution like that for some time, the barium sulphate will settle down as a precipitate. This will settle down as a white precipitate, and the solution, colorless solution which is there, is our sodium chloride. Now let us see balancing of equation. I told you first we have to check for the metals, then for the non-metals. So let's write sodium is a metal. Let's see the metal. So let us write the elements that are there in the reaction. Sodium is there, then barium is there, then chlorine is there, okay, then we have sulfur and oxygen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there for us to check. Okay, let us start with the metals. That is our sodium. How many are there on the left hand side? 2 are there. So directly come here and put 2. Okay, so check, 2 are there. Left hand side 2 are there, right hand side 2 are there. Then check for the barium. Barium is 1 here. Okay, on the right hand side also it is 1. So no need to disturb barium. Then SO4. SO4 also 1 is there. Here also SO4. Together if we check, it is the same, right? No other oxygen element is there in any other place. So that's why we are checking it together, right? Now Cl2 is left out. So this also we have checked SO, right? Now Cl is left out. How many are there? Cl2. We have already balanced here with sodium chloride, right? So no need to balance. Chlorine also 2 elements are there. See, that is easy method. When you check with metals first, then solution solving the chemical equation will become very simple. I hope this is clear. Now let us answer few questions. What are the colors of above solution? What are the colors of above solution? They are colorless. So write down the answer, colorless. Can you name the solutions obtained? What are obtained? Barium sulphate and sodium chloride. Do you observe any change on mixing this solution? Yes. What is happening? White solution is formed. It's a colorless reactants. When you combine both of them, what is happening? White solution is formed. So in the exam, when they ask you, write down an equation where two colorless solution react to form a colored solution, that is nothing but our sodium sulfate reacting with barium chloride to give barium sulfate and sodium chloride.